Bekubanjwe i-SMMEs Summit yosomashishini abasakhasayo e-Abersfoort eMonti kushukuxwa imiba yoshishino neendlela zokwakhana nentsebenziswano kushishino. Omnye ongusomashishini kule ndibano, uYonke Maqaqa, uthi bazokuvelisa iimveliso abazenzayo kwishishini labo. Uthethe wathi,
Molweni emakhaya nabo-online viewers, igama lami Yonke Maqaqa, suka kwaSpaza Pizza, i-founder yakhona company. Silapha ku-SMME Summit e-Christian Center Abersfoort, apho kukho i-expo khona for i-businesses ezincinci lapha eBuffalo City. Unongxaki masibe lapha sizokwenza i-expo ye-products zethu ezizenzayo. So currently ndenza i-pizza in collaboration with my friend from Ebuhlanti Sauce, uSipho Suntele. Sipho Suntele wenza i-barbecue sauce, so njengoba ubona apha senze i-pizza ene-barbecue chicken. Siyavuyisana noba sisebenzisane nezinye iikhampani zokutya zidibane zisebenzisane, ngoba yona nto ibalulekileyo kubonakalisa uba ubudlelwane bukhona phakathi kweekhampani zokutya, ungafumanisi uba siqelelene. So nje mandilapha njena ndizokwenza i-expo, kuthiwa mandithethe noThethe Mbukweni about the case study yalapha eBuffalo City for the food business.
Yeah, Kamala Mdingumzi, Fanning Manukela, and I'm the CEO and founder of Style Mobility. So Style Mobility was formed back in 2023, in my time when I was living in China. That's where I also got exposed to the whole electric mobility industry at its full, and then I was working on a different company manufacturer at that time on house and home products, but then I turned into electric mobility because it's very easy. It helps us to move from point A to point B without having to pay expensive, prices on petrol. Yeah, and then on the weekends I will go into manufacturers and learn how to assemble electric motors, electric powers, and then the batteries and all of the electric wires that are in e-bikes. And then that was cool. Like, and I understand up to 2024, where I came back to South Africa, bringing some bikes into the country, where we started to grow into the company. I started to even share the skills that I have with other fellow colleagues that I have. We currently employed like 7 people right now. All of them are fully youth, and we're currently operating and assembling from scratch up until a bike is fully built.
Hi guys, Papa Madolum coming from a company called Ekas Sales Solution that is currently busy with e-brand Yagwa Showmax. We are selling Showmax products, which is e-vouchers of Showmax, starting from as little as 50 Rand, where you can be able to watch it on your phone, which is on a mobile phone. And there's been a voucher here, 100 Rand, which is the 99 Rand one, where you can be able to watch it on your mobile phone and also watch it on your TV. Then it's been a voucher here, 120, a sport and entertainment, where you can be able to watch it on your mobile phone. So the product is nazo as Showmax again, unazo e-series, unazo e-sport, unazo e-cartoons for abantwana. There's a lot of anazo Showmax where one can be able to watch it. So kumbula ku Showmax bawusuka kwela candle lapha DStv, which is a multi-choice, but uzimele ngoku Showmax. So i-product zakhe zezike zibalulekile zikhanganya apha enkosi.
Namhlanje apha kwi-ntsebenziswano no-local economic development waseBuffalo City. Befuna i-participation yethu as uBuffalo City Business Association kwesi space se-local economic development. Bathi ke xa be-abbreviate ngo-LED, bazama uaddressa novala i-gap between SMMEs together with the participation yazo kwi-space se-value chain yaseBuffalo City. So silapha ke kulo msitho unjalo. Amongst the issues ke ezi-addresswayo ngabantu kwi-issue yakwa-security, one of them umcimbi we-stock theft, nokuvandalizwa kwe-buildings and properties, especially izikolo, ii-clinics, njalo njalo, ezilalini nasezilokishini. I-concerns ezivelayo ke ngoku apho, amongst other things. Ndiqale ngalena ye-stock theft. Lena ye-stock theft ndifuna intsebenziswano between i-community, I think ne-security cluster yethu, private security, namapolisa, ne-communities as well, because kukho ii-role players apha ezininzi. abanye bezi role players ngabantu bathengisa ezindawo ezinto zotshisa nyama. Ngabo kabathenga le mfuyo ibiweyo kuba befuna umaximize i-profits zabo. Bayithenga cheap mos imfuyo ibiweyo then bona bayithengise ngescale esiphezulu. The same applies with kulena into ye-vandalism yezikolo ne-clinics into zekopa kubiwa kwekopa ne-cabling. Abantu abazi-role players phayana zii-drug dealers together with aba bantu bathengisa i-scrap metal. I think iyafuna ugovernishwa laa nto ubana maybe i-scrap yard esithengisa i-scrap metal ekunothi kufumaneke kuso into ebiweyo efana nezikopa ibe kanti iyavalwa completely, or else ibe khona indlela enothi kwenziwa ngayo i-monitoring nokuminimizwa kwezi scrap metals zininzi kangaka. If bekunothiwa mhlawumbi kwitawuni eyi-1 kuthiwe okanye kwidolophu eyi-1 kuthiwe iyi-1 indawo ye-scrap metal, ezinye zonke zivalwe, so that we know where to monitor in terms of le nto idibene ne-scrap metal. Then kubekho lo mcimbi we-drugs. Apha eMonti ke kukho indawo kuthiwa yiCalifornia. And laa ndawo yeyona ndawo ke i-notorious kulapho kuthengiswa khona izinto zabantu ezilahlekileyo nento ezibiweyo. And kulapho ke aba bafana sithi ngamaphara bathengisa khona izinto bafumane either exchange of drugs and money. And everyone ke unoxanduva lale nto yaseCalifornia, with us as a transport industry, i-community, because amapolisa kuyabonakala oyisiwe yile nto yaseCalifornia. Kufuneka ngoku thina sihlanganane le nto yaseCalifornia. I'm told ubana allegedly i-owner yaseCalifornia I think ngumuntu omnyama or something apho abantu barenta kuyo. And I want to make a call kulo mntu u-owner eCalifornia bana athi get hold of at least i-role players okanye ndizawuthi abantu abarentisayo, ii-tenants ezintsha azikhuphe eziyana ii-tenants ziphaa, because most of ii-tenants eziphayana ngabantu bofika and ngabo aba babulala iBuffalo City. Even nathi siyi-taxi industry we are involved kule nto. Oodriver bethu and everyone else bayachaphazeleka kule nto, abo batshaya ezi trays. Recently sibambe abafana ebebe-hijacka okanye bekidnapha abantu babaphathe ii-passengers zethu, because bazii-driver zethu, babafake kwimoto encinci eyi-Suzuki bahambe nabo babaphakele inkunzi phaa ngaseNawo Mdebe. So but ke we managed to track and trace le moto. Izinto nebezipaka ezi-passengers, iifowuni nezinye izinto siyozifumana eCalifornia. So yiyo ke le nto ndithi lo mcimbi waseCalifornia everything ithengiswa phaa, so iyafuna uqwalaselwa laa nto. Amapolisa oyisakele into yaseCalifornia. Ngexesha siseCalifornia sisenza i-recovery yezi zinto, I think we spent more than 4 hours phaa eCalifornia. Sigqogqa phayana sisetsha sisithini senza yonke loo nto. There was no police visibility, and the issue yaseCalifornia when we were there was very much chaotic, because when you go to California you need to go there uqinisekile ngestori sakho, mhlawumbi usafe okanye uprotected. So the whole street was closed when we were doing that. But into estrange nobana khange kubekho amapolisa afika azosabela uba kwenzeka ntoni. That proves ke ngoku to you into yobana amapolisa ayoyisakala yile nto yaseCalifornia. Inida thina sithi take over, sizama ukuzisotela le nto yaseCalifornia siluluntu lwaseBuffalo City. So nantso ke i-call mna endenzayo.
As an association, the wards are under the association. We are actually managing the ward forums so as to avoid the chaos that might be taking place with construction sites and other forms of businesses that are taking place at what level. We also have an understanding with some councillors. We have an issue here with councillors. We have an issue with councillors. Most councillors are business consultants. When the municipality act MMC, you are doing service delivery to the wards, the point of entry was for anything at the ward level is the councillor. The councillor is the premier of that ward. He or she is the mayor of that ward. In terms of the point of entry. What they do, or councillor, is to take the business onto their level. It's either they register abantwana babo babe no business, or they family or friends or whatever. Then they want to control where that business goes. And sometimes even the construction company or whoever is participating in Kulawat, they're supposed to give something to the councillor, so as one arm silence, so that in terms of equality, that is why you'll find that equality of things that are done by what is not right, whether it's houses or in Kela or whatever, because the very same end users of the product are being silenced by the council, so that when I point out when I don't wrong equality of this thing that was delivered. And then they are also part and parcel of as shortcuts of Kedonas, where they cut corners with quality assurance of the same product. Because remember, no contract or whoever is delivering something, primarily on counseling it affects most the profit side. So in order for Yena to make money, he is supposed to cut corners about quality. If he is 10 bags of cement in terms of the requirement, are 3 bags, because 7 bags so those are the issues that we are faced with. And when people are complaining about these things, councillor, hence who fights we want, we reactionary force, or we load, or whatever. I have an issue currently from the security cluster of the association, because I also own a security company, where in one of these wards, there were houses that were built, I think 10 years ago, around 2016. And councillor and his team or her team sold houses that are meant for beneficiaries to other people. Now the person who's contesting this thing, who comes from taking out to silence this person. So I was shocked to learn that, and I learned that it's not only the councillor who's involved to learn. When it's a chain, because if 50 houses were sold for 50,000, it's a lot of money. Then hence cooking go to silence this person because in chain. And now the other people about destitute who are supposed to benefit, who are the beneficiaries in terms of these houses, are silenced. There are people who are staying in these houses who are not supposed to stay there because the councillor is involved. So those are the issues that we'll find when we talk about these things and challenges that we are faced with councillors. Some councillors, I want to be honest, they are straight and they are doing things by the book. So I don't want to say all councillors, but painting a brush A1. With companies in terms of the issue about construction, we have a company by the name of Ezulwini, which is a local, I think it's a local construction company. In South 18, I think in somewhere around Amalinda. We are, as an association, we are working very closely with that company because it's a local company, not great as great as Mbulu. I think we're grade 9. The cooperation between the association and Uzulwini is flowing. So I want to attest to that. And then we have another company, which is about electricity. I think what Designer Lightning is. What Designer Lightning is doing is that they have requested us to give them some SMMEs who are specialized in blend of electricity so that they can absorb them into their stream. Then Babeniways or project was and then they are trying to do a transfer of skill to as SMMEs. Because what is analyzing is not going to be there forever. Yes, we can say that at the moment Designer Lightning, in terms of into Nombane, is leading again yonke industry. Full again by Wednesday. But again, I'm happy the banner blend at least we have us we share each other. So and funyo by ranking case into Kamazinho town to Funo Which and Dona Panapagate and so Designer Lightning and Funo Kamazinho Jomba, Utlafuna and Kamazinho Manyan, Okany, Kawambole, Okany. So basically, that is what we are doing. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that.